Greg, Jamaican breakfast or English breakfast?
Jamaican breakfast every day.
Every day.
Yeah.
All right. Hello, Coach Dish, Simon. Edivision TV. Coach, big game tomorrow. How important is it to set down a marker? You know, the group winners might be decided on goal difference. How important is it to, get some goals tomorrow?
The most important is to win this game. I think Domrep is the team that everybody should be on the lookout for. That's the tricky team to play. Everybody is talking about Guatemala, and they will be the toughest. But you'll see tomorrow how good Domrep is, and we've been analyzing them quite carefully. We've been impressed with the coach Nevlev and what he's doing with that team. Good players, good on the ball, good passing team, and we will suffer at times. They will have possession for sure, trying to create chances. So I would say winning is the most important thing to get 3 points. But as you say, every goal counts in this competition. We want to win and top the group. So every goal counts for sure. But the most important is not to be over-ambitious. Be ambitious, but not over-ambitious, and win this game and take 3 points and start this World Cup campaign on the front foot. That is the most important.
Follow-up, Eddie?
Yes, Dish. Long season. I know Coach said that you're fit. How good does it, feel, to be back with the boys?
Yeah, I love coming to these camps. It's nice seeing all the boys again. Everyone's had good individual seasons, so I think it's now we come together and make a mark for the country. Everyone's excited and raring to go for the game. So we'll all be ready. Whoever starts on the bench, everyone's raring to go and help the team however we can.
And you really miss the tactical meetings. Yes.
Yeah. I love the tactical meetings.
All right, thanks, Eddie. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I my wife.
How about here?
Mark, are you there? No, bro. I did it and I said, because everyone went nuts. I was fuming, bro.
See, fast. Up. Big promoter. Oh, God, man.
Like, luckily for me, like, the guy before me had beef.
Greg, Jamaican breakfast or English breakfast?
Jamaican breakfast every day, man.
Every day.
Yeah.
Karai, English breakfast or Jamaican breakfast? What's your favorite Jamaican dish for breakfast?
Jamaican breakfast, coffee.
Alright, nice. Dish, English breakfast or Jamaican breakfast?
You know what? That's actually a tough question.
I know.
Have you tried the English breakfast?
No, I haven't.
If cooked right, it can be very, very nice, but I'll say Jamaican breakfast just pushes it.
Alright, so that's 3-0 to Jamaica. Bobby, Jamaican breakfast or English breakfast? Jamaican. Yes, so Edivision TV, I'm here with head of Independence Park. Some sad news coming in. You know, the game has been pushed back a little bit earlier. It's now 3:30. We were expecting 6:30. What exactly went wrong?
Well, Independence Park was working on an inspection date of last night. We did the inspection. They requested an independent personal inspection. We got phase 3 to come into it. And phase 3 has indicated, as far as they are concerned, we met the deadline. We met the minimum requirements. That was sent to CONCACAF last night. But apparently we were told that the decision to change to 3:30 was done from last Friday. So JFF, as I understand, has sent the results into CONCACAF requesting a change. Whether or not that will be done, I don't know. But we met our deadline for last night of bring up minimum standard.
But last night is, cutting it a bit close, don't you think? Considering that we know that we had the match.
No, we were
prior.
told that the commission, that's when the commissioner would have been here. And what we were told that this match commissioner would come and check the lights. Then yesterday we were told it's not the match commissioner. We must get somebody independent.
And the lights came into the island when?
Well, the lights we had to borrow them from some people. Or the lights that we're expecting comes in today. But we bought some lights to borrow. That's the lights we used to bring it up to standard.
But initially or essentially, who dropped the ball on this one? Because the people want to know.
Well, we have been getting away with our lighting levels. Mm-hmm. We got a letter it was dated the 1st of May. We got on the 9th of May saying that that's the first time we're told by CONCACAF that they would not accept our lighting levels anymore. Mm-hmm. It's at that point we made some urgent checks with the government and we got some funding to buy some lights because we were hoping, we have this $100 million program and the first item on that program is a replacement of the lights. None of these old bulbs they don't exist anymore. Mm-hmm. We can't buy them. The whole system needs to be changed. Mm-hmm. It's inefficient. That's what also adds to the cost of using the stadium. We want to put in more efficient bulbs and we're hoping that we could last until the funding was approved and we'll do that first. CONCACAF says no, you have to do it, so we went and got some lamps, which is not the best thing because what you have now is that mixture of the old lights and the new lights.
The new one.
So it was because of this letter that we got that we pushed the plan to get it. But the whole intention was that the thing would have been replaced. But as you know, for many reasons, the plan should have been instituted some time ago, not yet instituted. And we hope that maybe this will help to push it to get it going.
Now, what are the plans going forward? We know about the redevelopment of the National Stadium. How does that tie in now with the lighting? What's the update on that?
That's the first item on the redevelopment.
First item.
First item on. There are two. Let me tell you the first two items on redevelopment. Replace the lights completely and produce proper covering for the protection for the track. Those are the first two items before any construction starts. That's what we're going to do. That's the plan.
Any timeline on that?
No, we have the funding has not yet been approved. We have some meetings today and tomorrow, and we hope that we'll get some word as to when that will be done.